Hey, welcome back. Today, my sister and I are doing a special project. We're using pallet wood and making it look like shingles on on one of the walls, the house. I originally thought to make a framework and then attach the pallets to that, but I had a hard time finding the right drill, so I ended up just using this really heavy-duty glue. So what I'm doing here is measuring the frame around the door, and at the far edges the pallet wood will go in between these frames. So once I get these measurements up, I will move forward with the pallet wood.
Gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far apart. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, through each night we'll keep burning bright. I'm so lucky to be loved by you. From the storms we're short or long, well I'll still be right where you are. Guess you call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable.
So what I'm gonna do is, that's the top. So we're gonna put that right like that.
Okay.
And bring the level over here and put the level on the bottom of this. And when it gets level, you let me know.
That's level right there.
Is it still level? got to stay on that thing.
No, really, Mel? Why state the obvious? Something else sometimes.
Got to come over more toward the center.
That's level. That's level right there.
See if it stays level all the way over to this end.
Level.
Okay, great. Okay. Okay. And now I gotta do this. So find the bottom so I can do this part too.
Fine. What?
You know what? Give me the level. That'll work just as well. And can you line that up for me? Okay, I'll do it up top.
Oh, so you can see what the hell you're doing.
Okay, good. Okay. You see how much different it is?
I know it is. I can see it. I don't have to like.
Okay. Virginia hunted through all of these pallet board pieces to find the same thickness, and that was the easiest way to ensure a relatively tight fit with these pallet wood pieces.